Welcome to our video on the top 5 cloud CRM integrations for e-commerce in 2025. E-commerce continues to evolve, and finding the right CRM for your online business is more important than ever. Let's dive into the current trends and integrations that can elevate your customer experience. CRM integrations play a crucial role in enhancing customer experience by providing personalized interactions and streamlining processes. Let's explore how these integrations can transform your e-commerce business. First up is Salesforce Commerce Cloud, known for its robust features that support online retailers with seamless transactions, personalized marketing, and extensive customer analytics. Next, we have HubSpot CRM. This platform streamlines marketing and customer engagement, allowing businesses to nurture leads effectively, making every interaction count. Taking the third spot is Zoho CRM. Ideal for small to medium-sized e-commerce businesses, it offers unique tools that help manage customer relationships and sales efficiently. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is the fourth integration. This enterprise-level solution provides a scalable platform for businesses looking to grow and meet increasing customer demands. And finally, we have Zendesk Sell. This integration enhances customer service through reliable communication, ensuring that every customer query is resolved swiftly. Now let's compare the features of these 5 integrations to see how they stack up against each other in 2025. Each offers unique advantages, catering to different business needs. In conclusion, choosing the right CRM integration is essential for enhancing your e-commerce platform. Consider your specific needs and how each integration can support your growth in 2025.